Yes.
Dear Lisa, sector recruitment's reputation is built on the strong relationships we build with our clients and the candidates we work on behalf of to match employment and career goals. One of the first and most important promises we make our client base is that we have personally met every single candidate we represent. And with a client base spanning a 100-mile radius of Brentwood, this is no small task, but a promise we take very seriously. Unfortunately, sometimes as a business, we are tested by elements out of our immediate control. So when the engine lights started flashing on my car, it was imperative that I got the problem fixed quickly to limit the disruption to what was a full week of appointments and the smooth running of my business. Lisa, from the moment I spoke to the employees of Alllen Hall, I knew I was in safe hands. I was given an appointment for the next day with clear indication of what time my car would be looked at. As promised, I was called on time and provided a diagnosis of the numerous issues my car had, with confirmation as to how much it would cost to repair, including honest advice as to what jobs were urgent and which could wait if required. 2 days later, I collected a smooth-running, perfectly tuned car and, most importantly, was handed an invoice for the repairs. To my delight, your team had repaired my car in less time than predicted, so in turn, the invoice was for less than was originally quoted. I think many would agree this is rarely heard of in the motor industry. Lisa and the team of Alllen Hall Motors, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend you to my friends, family and business associates as a friendly, reliable and most importantly, trustworthy motor mechanics. I wish you every success for the future.